Welcome back. It's time for sports.
411 runs were scored during the second T20 International between visitors West Indies and New Zealand, the highest aggregate runs in a T20 International between the two. But it was the hosts who celebrated at the end as they earned a 3-run win to level their 5-match series at 1 apiece. Led by player of the match, Mark Chapman, who smashed 78 from 28 deliveries. New Zealand batting first posted 207 for 5. Chapman, who hit 7 sixes and 6 fours, was supported by Tim Robbins of 39 and Darryl Mitchell 28. Ross and Chase picked up 2 for 33 for the Windies. The West Indies, who lost to Brandon King in the first over without scoring, gave a good account of themselves as they got to 204 for 8 from their 20 overs. Jamaican Rothman Powell led the fight back with 45 from just 16 balls, including 6 sixes. Romario Shepherd also got 34 from 16, while opener Alec Athneys made 33 from 25 balls. Ish Sodhi and captain Mitchell Santner both had 3 wickets for New Zealand.
Yeah, sometimes the close game can hurt you because you can look at so many areas where you could have pulled back a 6 runs or so much area where you could have actually bowled a better over or something like that or play a better shot off a certain ball. But all in all, what it is what it's supposed to be. So hopefully next game we can pull off a win.
The third game in the series is set for Saturday morning Jamaica time. Head coach at Mount Pleasant FA, Theodore Whitmore, says the achievement of qualifying for the final of the Caribbean Cup in only their second season supersedes the disappointment of their 1-0 loss to Defence Force FC in their second leg semi-final on Wednesday at the National Stadium. Kevin Molino's 13th minute strike was the difference between the two teams as Mount Pleasant advanced to the championship game on aggregate 5-2 following their 5-1 first leg win in Trinidad on October 22.
We didn't start the game bright. We didn't start the game how we wanted to start it. We felt behind and we didn't get back a chance to get in the game. But after a 5-1 cushion the first leg, it kind of hard to really motivate the players. Again, the preparation coming into just few days to get the team together again. But as I said before, would have met our objective and we look forward to the finals.
By virtue of their progression, the team from St. Anne also booked their place into the CONCACAF Champions Cup for the first time. Mount Pleasant will face either Cibao FC or Universidad O&M FC, both from the Dominican Republic. Their second leg semi-final will kick off at 6 p.m. today. Their first leg matchup ended in a 1-1 draw. And finally, organizers have confirmed the 12 teams to take part in the netball competition at the 2026 Commonwealth Games in Glasgow, Scotland, with the Sunshine Girls ranked 3rd based on the most recent world rating system. The 23rd edition of the Games will welcome 3,000 athletes from 74 nations and territories between July 23 and August 2 next year, with the netball competition beginning on July 25. The 12 participating teams from the September 1 World Netball World Rankings are Australia, England, Jamaica, Malawi, New Zealand, Northern Ireland, Scotland, South Africa, Tonga, Trinidad and Tobago, Uganda, and Wales. The Sunshine Girls were runners-up at the last edition of the Commonwealth Games in Birmingham in 2022 as they narrowly lost a 51-55 to Australia in the final. And that's it for your Midday Sports Roundup. I'm Renardo Brown.
Thank you, Renardo. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for primetime news. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.